Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom, and this is the Chicken Avocado Club Sandwich from the Motor Restaurant at the Harley-Davidson Museum. Today we're gonna fire up the Yoder Smokers offset smoker so we can smoke these chicken breasts and turn them into this delicious sandwich. So we're just starting off with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm just gonna do a little trimming around the edges here to get rid of any cartilage that's left behind. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna butterfly these things out. They'll cook a little bit quicker, we'll get more surface area for the smoke. So essentially what I like to do is I'll come in where this tender is. We'll just kind of do a little slice so we can flip this out. We're gonna make this basically all the same thickness all the way across. Now we'll come in from the other direction and do the same thing. I'm just holding my knife horizontal to the cutting board. And if you wanted to, you could just slice straight through these and have several pieces, or two or three pieces here, but you can also do this in one large piece. So now that that's all on the same thickness level, it'll cook evenly. We've got all this surface area for seasoning and for smoke. We're gonna do the same thing with the rest of our chicken breasts. All right, so now that we've got these chicken breasts butterflied out, we're gonna soak them in our herb roasted chicken marinade just for about 30 minutes. So after a quick soak in that marinade, we're gonna pull our breasts out. We're just gonna season them up very simply with salt and pepper. We're just gonna wipe off the excess marinade as they come out. Nice little flavorizer, tenderizer there. All right, so we're just gonna hit this now with a little bit of our kosher sea salt and then some fresh cracked black pepper. Give them a flip and hit the other side now. All right, you can see we already got some chicken going in here on the Yoder offset. We're running at roasting temperatures today, so about 325 to 350 so that we can get through these fairly quick, but still allow them to pick up that wood smoke aroma. So those are fairly thin. They're not gonna take terribly long. Let's take a look at these ones down here. Yeah, you can see we already have some nice color going on those. All right, well, let's close it up and let them cook. We're cooking today on the Yoder Smokers Loaded Wichita offset smoker. And at these temperatures in the roasting range, 325 to 350, our chicken breasts are gonna go pretty quick, so we'll be back to check on them shortly. Well, our first round of chicken's come off. The second round is just about done as well. We're aiming for about 160 on internal temperature here. In the meantime, we've also set up our griddle right here in the smoker so we can toast off these sandwiches to finish. The griddle's nice and hot now, so we're ready to toast off our bread, and then we can put these sandwiches together. We're just gonna slice these about a ½ inch thick. Just right so we can pile them on the sandwich. Now in the pan, we have all these juices left from when the chicken was resting. We're just gonna throw our chicken back in there to soak up those juices. Nice light little toast, that's what we're looking for. Well, it's time to finally bring together all of our components to build this sandwich. All right, so we're just gonna start building these layer by layer, starting with some lettuce on the bottom. Then we're gonna top that off with some tomato. And next we're gonna hit it with some of our homemade ranch dressing. Now for some of that smoked chicken. Just super juicy. Next we're coming in with some nice cheddar. And then we've got our bacon. 2 slices each. And then the namesake of the sandwich, the avocado. So we'll just go ahead and slice these very carefully. They're still in there. We scoop them out and put them right onto our top piece of bread. There we go. So we'll top that off, and that is it. That's our sandwich. Chicken, avocado club. Man, simple, but it looks amazing. All right, let's cut into it here. Looks pretty. Mm-hmm. Ooh, buddy. Getting that avocado right at the edge. It's so great that it's almost a condiment by itself. So much texture in this sandwich. Nice little toasting on the outside. You got the crunch from the bacon. That chicken is just so juicy. And the sharp cheddar really pops out at me too. Always like the way a tomato kind of dresses a sandwich. It's almost like its own dressing. We get it in there with the lettuce and with that ranch dressing itself. I love it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to our friends at the Motor Restaurant at the Harley-Davidson Museum. Next time you're around, drop in and have yourself a chicken avocado club sandwich. I think you'll be pretty happy with it. Be good, guys. We'll see you later.